Thank you for purchasing Crutcheze padded crutch covers, US made. This is an instructional video on show you how to install the padded covers properly to your standard crutches. So your pad set will come with 2 padded underarms and 2 padded hand grips. To start, you take the already assembled piece out of the package, and the underarm pad comes with the foam in it, and you have Velcro to secure underneath your crutch. So to start, you take your crutch, undo the hook and loop, making sure that the fabric underneath is not bunched up to make sure there's a proper fit. And then on your crutch, you put it over the top and secure it down to make sure it is flush to the rubber piece of the crutch. And then you easily secure the Velcro underneath for a tight fit. The next step is grabbing the padded hand grip. It's made with the foam already installed. You can remove the foam or add extra foam for additional padding. It has a loop and hook side for proper security to your handle. So you just wrap it around underneath and secure it tight. And the foam is designed for the thickest part of the foam being in your palm, and it'll thin out around, so when you're using it, it's not too bulky in your hand. This is the Crutcheze Crutch bag. It has 2 adjustable straps that secure underneath your padded handle cover, and it will allow you to adjust the height of the crutch depending on what you put in it. Today we have a 12-ounce water bottle. It has 3 pockets. The front pocket for easy storage, middle pocket that is waterproof for any larger items, and then a smaller pocket on the inside for keys, glasses, and other small personal items. To start the installation of your crutch bag, take it out of the package, and you can see here you have the 4 horizontal straps that will go along the poles of the side of the crutch, and the adjustable straps are tucked on the inside. So to start, you want to take off one side of each strap. And then you secure it around the handle to the Velcro on the inside of the bag. And you do the same thing to the other side. And this will give you a rough estimate on where you want the bag. If you wanted to adjust, you simply adjust the straps according to height of where you want the bag. The next step would be to secure each of the 4 vertical straps. The next part is putting the padded hand grip over the handle. So you're making sure that the straps are on the handle of the crutch and the padded cover is going over. So you simply put the pad through the middle of the straps and secure with the Velcro.